Look in the mirror and be honest with yourself. Are you making the money that you truly wanted to make when you got into real estate?
Or are you scrolling through Instagram at 11 o'clock at night, wondering why everybody's doing deals, but not you?
I've been in the trenches. I've made the calls. I've sat across from sellers who told me they'd think about it and never called me back. So I know what it feels like. The reason most agents are broke isn't because they're lazy. It's because they're using the wrong strategy at the wrong time in their career.
So today I'm ranking the 6 ways to generate leads and make money in this business, from the absolute worst to the #1 strategy that has made me and the agents I coach hundreds of thousands of dollars. Now, before I start ranking these, let me give you a context, because some of you are going to watch this and say, "But Dave, I don't agree with your rankings." And that's fine. But here's who I made this video for. This is for the agent that's new in the business. You've got maybe 2, 3, 4 months reserves in the bank. You don't have a massive sphere of influence sending you $10,000 referrals every month. And you've got to start generating income now. I mean, today. Or you're going to have to leave this incredible industry and go punch somebody else's clock. I mean, do you really want to do that? I mean, if that's for you, then fantastic, that's for you. But pay very close attention, because the skills pays the bills, and I'm going to show you which skills to focus on first. Number 6, coming in and dead last, the worst way to make money. It's paid inbound. We're talking like Zillow leads and Z-Buyer. And let me tell you exactly what I mean so there's no confusion.
Pay inbound means you're spending a mini fortune to get people to pick up the phone, call you and say, "Come list my house." Sounds beautiful, right? Radio shows on Sunday morning, geographic farming, where you're mailing to a neighbor once or twice a month for a year before you even get your first listing. Google service ads, extremely expensive. Billboards, TV commercials. I mean, come on, who's doing TV commercials in 2026? Now listen, I'm not saying these strategies don't work. They absolutely work for the right person at the right time in their career. But if you're just an agent I described, you've got 3 months of runway. You have absolutely no business dumping $2,000 a month into a farm that won't produce a single listing for 12 months. The money is astronomical. The timeline is brutal, and you'll be back to a 9 to 5 before you ever see a return. That's why it's last, period.
Number 5, paid outbound. This is where you hand over your credit card in exchange for contact information, and then you have to pick up the phone and do all the work.
Zillow leads, Realtor.com leads, Boomtown, forced registration websites, home value leads, hiring ISAs to cold call for you. Here's the problem, and I'm gonna keep it real with you. It is expensive, but it's not just the money. It's the skills required to convert these leads. Let me give you an example. Webinars, amazing strategy. I've done them, I teach them. But can you get up in front of 500 homeowners right now, today, and give a presentation so compelling that they're gonna book an appointment with you in your calendar before you even finish talking? Be honest, can you do that today? And if you're gonna hire ISAs, now you're talking about hiring, training, managing human beings. Listen, I say this with all the love and respect in the world. Most agents have a hard enough time managing themselves, getting out of bed, showing up consistently. Now, imagine leading a team of people who are looking to you for answers that you don't even have yet. The money's heavy, the skill curve is steep, and the turnaround, 6 months minimum before you see $1. If you need money now, this ain't it.
4th place, your sphere of influence. And I know this is gonna ruffle some feathers here, because every trainer out there says, work your sphere of influence.
And they're not wrong. Long-term, absolutely. Your sphere is gold. Most agents who sell houses sell them because of their sphere of influence. But here's the truth that nobody tells you. There are no KPIs that drive results with your sphere. There is no formula that says, go on 3 jogs with 30 friends this week that equals 1 listing appointment. It just doesn't work that way. You don't know when somebody's going to sell. You don't know when a referral's coming. You can send mailers, do events, stay top of mind, and you absolutely should. I'm not telling you should, but you can't say, I did X amount of activities and it produced Y results. It's just plain unpredictable. So if you're relying solely on your sphere to feed your family in year 1 and 2, and you don't have people sending you 10, 12, 15 referrals a month, what are you going to do? Honestly, what's the plan? And that's why it's number 4.
Third place, unpaid inbound. This is content marketing, YouTube, blogs, Facebook groups, free webinars, and open houses done strategically.
Now, let me be very clear about something. When I say content marketing, I am not talking about posting your little Canva pictures on Instagram. I'm not talking about, it's closing day, so excited for Bob and Mary. How many leads did that get you? Come on, be honest. That's right, 0. Real content marketing means you create content with a specific call to action. The viewer does something, goes to a landing page, drops a comment, gives you their information in exchange for something. That is content marketing. Here's why it's at number 3 though. It takes a long time to work. I'm doing it right now. I've been making content for a very long time, and I can tell you with 100% certainty, it takes at least a year of consistency, daily effort, before you see real money from it. And I don't mean post when you feel like it. I mean uploading content 365 days a year without getting a single thing in return for months. How many agents do you know who can do that? How many can you look in the mirror and say, I'll show up every single day for a year with 0 results and keep going? It's very, very rare to have that mindset. You should build a personal brand in 2026. But if you're relying on social media to pay your mortgage in the first 90 days, you're going to be very, very broke.
Second place, and this one's extremely powerful, referral partners, divorce attorneys, probate attorneys, assisted living sales managers, CPAs, insurance agents, and other business owners in adjacent industries who deal with people that need to buy and sell a house.
Imagine you build a relationship with a sales manager of an assisted living facility. In your area, there are assisted living facilities on every corner right now. People move in, and guess what? They have to sell the house that they've owned for 30 years to pay for it. It's $4,000, $5,000, $6,000, sometimes even $12,000 a month for around-the-clock care. Where does the money come from? The home. You help fill the rooms at the assisted living facility. You do the seminars with them. Every time a prospect sits down and says, we need to sell mom's house first, who do you think they recommend? You, because you're the specialist. You're the brain surgeon of that transition. Now, here's what I love about this model. It's market proof. I don't care what interest rates are doing, people still get divorced. People still pass away, unfortunately. People still get older. People still do their taxes. This business model doesn't have those huge ups and downs based on the housing market. And here's your aha moment. You are one of these referral partners for someone else right now. The mortgage industry, their #1 lead generation source is you, the agent. Lenders calling you, taking you to lunch, golf outings, because they want you in their referral network. Home warranty reps, same thing. Home inspectors, same thing. You're already part of someone else's B2B model. Now, go build your own. You don't have to be in this business 25 years. You just have to be someone who builds real, meaningful relationships with other professionals.
And the #1 spot, and I know you've been waiting for this, and it's not even close, ladies and gentlemen, that's unpaid outbound. Let me tell you exactly why.
Unpaid outbound means you are in the driver's seat. You're not paying money, You're not waiting around hoping somebody calls you. You are targeting a specific group of people that you know for a fact are selling. And you're picking up the phone and starting that conversation. For sale by owners, they've got a sign in the yard right now that says, I am selling my house. Expired listings. Their agent failed to get the job done right, and their home just came off the market. These aren't guesses. These aren't maybes. These are people actively in the process of selling right now. Now, let me ask you something. Every single strategy I just ranked, all 5 of them, they're reactive. You're waiting. You're hoping. You don't know when the content will convert. You don't know when the referral partner will call. You don't know when the lead company will send you something worth calling. This is offense. This is saying today, right now, I'm picking up the phone. I'm calling the for sale by owner across the street. I'm setting that appointment today. I'm going on that appointment today. I'm getting a signed listing agreement today. I'm getting it on the market in a few days and getting paid in 30 days. There is no other strategy in this entire industry that can do that. None. Zero. And I know what some of you are thinking. Dave, this is old school. Cold calling is dead. Let me tell you something. The only people saying that are the ones trying to sell you their shiny object. That's it. That's the only reason. You want to know the easiest way to get a realtor to pull out their credit card? Tell them, we'll do all your lead generating and you don't have to do a thing. Boom, there's my Amex. And it's all garbage. Go on Reddit right now after this video. Look up any of these lead companies. Read these reviews. It's almost impossible to find an agent who had a good experience because it's easy to sell, but impossible to deliver. You have a choice. You can avoid the work because it's uncomfortable, or you can do what salespeople do, which is prospect. Pick up the damn phone, have the conversation. That's where the money is. That's where it's always been. That's where it will always be, because what do I say? Skills pay the bills. Now listen, whether you go with unpaid, outbound, referral partners, or content marketing, none of it matters if you show up to that listing appointment unprepared. Trust me, I've been there, and that's exactly why I put together my pre-listing checklist. It's the exact process I use before every single appointment to make sure I walk in prepared, professional, and ready to close.
And I'm going to put a link in the description right now. Yes, click the link below. That's where you can get the checklist. It's free. Use it word by word every single time. Even if you're going to list your mother's house. I say that a lot, but it's so true. Trust me on that one.
And if you want to go even deeper, I've got a full video breaking down my entire pre-listing process step by step. Click the video on the screen right now to watch that next. It will show you exactly what to say, what to bring, and how to separate yourself from every other agent walking through that door. That video has made agents I coach hundreds of thousands of dollars. Go watch it.
My name is David Allen Knight. Thank you for tuning in today. If this video brought you value, like it, share it with an agent who needs to hear this, and subscribe to Agent Success. This way, you don't miss anything that's coming next. Your network equals your net worth. If it's not worth doing for 10 years, then it's not worth doing for a day. Now go out there and make that money, because skills pays the bills. Let's go, let's grow, baby. And I'll see you in the next one.